Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Today we are going to dissect a praying mantis egg case. Now this is one that was laid in one of my terrariums, and this one never hatched. So they may not have been fertilized or viable, but the egg should still be in there. Or if they have been fertilized and didn't hatch for some reason, then we should see at least some kind of evidence of the little nymphs in there. Yeah, not the kind of nymph that I'm looking for, right? But that's what the baby bugs are called. So we'll take a gander in and see what we can see. As I'm cutting this open, this is very difficult. I get this X-Acto knife, this razor knife I'm using, it's actually hard to cut into this. You'd be surprised. I thought it would be papery or easy. No, it's actually a little difficult to cut in there. All right, so looking closely, I'm not really seeing, boy, this is weird. Very cellulose looking. I am not seeing any evidence of any baby mantises, mantids, or nymphs there. I ain't seeing any evidence of that. There's a bunch of these weird little things in there. Now they could be eggs or yeah, I don't know. Keep looking. Wow, this is very cool. Not sure. Yeah. All right. So we really didn't see any evidence for sure that this was fertilized because we didn't see any evidence of little mantids growing in there. Nor did we see definitive proof that there was actually eggs in there. Some of them little white dots or something could have been. I don't know. So leave your comments in the comment section. Have you ever seen a mantis egg case? Remember, I have a video of a praying mantis actually laying an egg case. You'd have to look around the channel. I don't remember where it is. All right, so leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.